So a lot of people are out there predicting a pullback in silver. First of all, silver, if you've been asleep for the last 2 or 3 days, silver has freaking jumped up. Silver just went over $23 an ounce. I think I saw it at $23.19 the last time I looked. And that's good news for a lot of people. And people every now and then need to rejoice and need to celebrate. They need to vent off. You know, you're stacking silver for so long, it's stagnant, and you start to freaking question yourself, should I continue this? Have all those people been just completely wrong about silver? Well, now you see its ability to actually increase in value and price. You see your silver stack just freaking multiplying off the chain. Again, I absolutely see a silver pullback. Absolutely. You'd be a fool not to think silver's not going to pull back. And I hope so for everyone's sake who is still trying to achieve their goals. I have not achieved my silver goal yet. Have not. And I sure hate to attempt to achieve it at these high prices. So for you folks who've reached your goal and you're happy, congratulations. I'm happy for you. But I do expect a pullback. A lot of the predictions that are floating around YouTube range for months out. Okay, so you get a lot of people who are predicting these pullbacks, but I think these pullbacks are going to happen sooner than later. Now, I'm not going to sit here and lie to you and tell you, well, I know how to read all these financial charts and the graphs and the longs and the shorts and the paper market and then you got the candle and I don't know anything about that, but I can tell you I've been buying silver since 2008 and I've seen little dips here and there, and in my heart, call it the Spider-Man senses, call it intuition, whatever you like to think. I think we're going to see this pullback sooner than later. I really do believe that. I don't want to sit here and give you a false prediction, but it's going to be much sooner than a lot of folks are predicting, in my opinion. I'm glad, though, that people see the capabilities of what silver can achieve. Again, you've been stacking, some people have been stacking silver for just a couple of years now, and the price has been kind of stagnant. All right, $1 here and $1 there, goes down $1 here and $1 there, and in their minds they're having doubts. There's no doubt about that. Question yourself. I'm dumping all this money into this stack, and it's just really pretty much flatline, Everybody's telling me it's gonna go up, it's gonna go up. So this proves to people that there is the ability for silver to jump up. And people should rejoice in that. And this should, I hope, regain confidence in the people who are stacking silver that are starting to lack that confidence, to have doubts. And this is by no means, even though we get a pullback, this is by no means the last price increase you see. By no means. I promise you that. Silver, in my opinion, will go up into the triple digits. Yes, over $100. I know it for a fact. And this should prove to you that, hey, continue to keep stacking. It is worth your investment. And I'm not saying don't diversify in other financial avenues. I'm not saying that. But silver is going to make you very, very happy. Now, my final thing I want to talk about, is it too late to buy silver? I just talked somebody into buying silver yesterday. Doesn't own 1 ounce. Not 1 ounce. Today I went in to let them know, hey, silver prices jumped up. Immediately took them on JM Bullion. This was Tucson time, approximately 6 in the morning. 6:15 in the morning, I think what it was. Every American Silver Eagle, every one of them was sold out this morning. So I'm asking, is it too late now to buy? Is there such a FOMO going out that everybody's just freaking buying and there's just nothing, and I do mean 0 Silver Eagles to buy this morning on JM Bullion? Fear of missing out. That could be an additional drive to what is causing the prices to increase. And everybody just gets on board, and they're hearing from other people, and they're seeing, oh my God. And it's very much like the stock market. And it just drives up that freaking silver price. I'm not saying this is the only drive that's pushing up those silver prices. I'm saying this is something that is possibly contributing to it. And that is why I feel that we're going to see that pullback sooner than later. And again, I don't want you to lose faith in it. No, I do not think this is going to be your last chance of buying silver. I think the market's just got to calm down. People need to stop freaking out. And you'll start to see JM Bullion and places like that get more silver back in stock. It's no different than what happened, 3 months ago, was it? 4 months ago, when the coronavirus first started, an estimated timeline. Remember, nobody can get silver, and then all the silver dealers started to advertise, say, hey, you have to buy X amount of silver at a time and expect significant shipping delays. You all remember that. I have a feeling this is very much in similarity to that. We're going to start to see the markets, the silver dealers online start to come back with stock and whatnot as people calm down. But no, I don't think this is your last chance to buy silver. Although it might be very difficult right now. I'm hearing a lot of rumors that not even the local coin shops want to buy, let alone sell. I'm hearing a lot of them just don't have it in stock either. Some of them are putting them on the back shelves, claiming they don't have them in stock, in the event that the silver does continue to have this momentum, and then they can pull it out at the very end when they think the market has reached its pinnacle, and then sell it. So who knows what and why they're doing it. But again, just to recap this video before I go, if you haven't subscribed, please do so and click that little bell icon. I really would appreciate it. That bell icon will let you know every time I do a live stream. It'll let you know in advance, as well as putting out a video. Do not lose confidence in the silver market. This should prove it. And continue to stack, regardless whether I'm completely wrong and there is no pullback. I would still buy silver at $23, $24, $30. I would. Take care of yourselves.